This is going to be a very brief revisit video on this Uniden or RadioShack branded telephone model 43-3580A. That letter H underscored in the comments box that I wasn't using, or I was using what didn't look like the original AC adapter. And that letter was absolutely correct. I was not using the original AC adapter because it did not come to me with the original AC adapter. I was using the testing adapter, which, I don't know why I didn't think of this at the time, but the testing adapter has a tendency to put that kind of noise onto telephones. So we're going to test it again, this time with a Uniden AC adapter. This is probably not exactly the correct one, but it's very close in terms of specification to what it would have originally come with. This is a 9-volt model, and the amperage is 350 milliamps, which may actually have been exactly correct. I'm not sure. I think some of them were 450, at least the ones with the answering machine perhaps. So, this is connected now. Let's plug in the phone line. And I'll turn this on. And the phone line is not switched over here. And note, there's no more noise. I don't know why sometimes it doesn't work.
Good morning. Thank you for letting us serve your financial needs today. For years to come, People's United Bank N.A., member FDIC.
Okay, so that solves it. There's nothing wrong with the telephone itself. It was the AC adapter.